Are you tired of expensive photo shoots and time-consuming edits? Discover how SellerPic can actually generate over 1,000 product-ready images and videos in just one day using nothing but AI. The link for SellerPic will be at the very top of the description of this video for when you want to go ahead and check out the product. All right, folks, now you need to realize that if you're a self-employed person, small, medium, or large business owner, there are definitely ways where you can be scaling, improving, saving money on your business by using the technology of AI. And SellerPic is a product, guys, that is going to help you do just that. So in a nutshell, what really is it, guys? It's all about its AI model image and product generation for e-commerce, so selling stuff online, any business online, basically, where you might be selling a service or product. So we are logged in here, guys. We do put our money where our mouth is and use the services that we do pick up here, that we do talk about, guys. So essentially, guys, SellerPic lets you create high quality contextual product images using AI models. You can actually show off your clothing or accessories in realistic try-on views, spotlight images, or lifestyle scenes, as you can see here, without ever needing to go ahead and book a photo shoot. All right, so we're here and we're going to try and generate an AI model image using this unique technology with the upload accessory image. So essentially, we've got some photos here already of some models here on the right, and we've got some accessories here. So I quite like the look of this beanie here. So we're going to bring up this beanie here. So this is essentially the beanie, and we want to actually put this on one of these models' heads. So how about we pick this lovely lady here? So we're going to pick that, and you can see it's actually cropping the area around her beanie, and we're going to see how good the AI is at actually getting this black beanie onto her head. So we need to generate with 2 credits, and it's just saying, please hang on a sec. This process could take roughly about 60 seconds. I did one previously and it was done just under 60 seconds. All right, and here it is, and wow, that is actually ridiculously good. Look how good that is. I mean, let's take a real close look at this here. It is seriously accurate. So the fact that you can do that, you can go ahead and download it there, guys. You can go image to video as well, and you can actually compare as well. That is actually extremely impressive. So this is just one of the most basic things you can do on SellerPic, and just a real life example of why you should use it today. So beyond that, guys, we've also got the lip sync video, so we can actually go over here as well. So this is actually a really cool one. So again, you'll upload your image here. You've got the text area here as well, guys. And essentially, guys, you can turn your product into an image engaging video. You can also automatically add the voice and even create like a 360 spin from videos from one image. So this is actually really ideal and perfect for product highlights or little things like social media clips, like whether it's for TikTok or Instagram. This feature is absolutely perfect and a really good user layout that I might also add as well. You've got your tutorial there, guys. A little place where you input it there as well in terms of the prompt. And this is actually a Swedish accent here.
If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door.
And that's just a run through of what the Swedish accent sounds like. Another really excellent feature is the actual SellerPic Publisher module, folks. So it's just right here. So essentially you can plan, you can generate, you can schedule and publish everything all in one place, all on this platform without actually ever needing to leave the SellerPic platform, guys. So there's no need for external tools to handle publishing. And that's really good because it encompasses all your needs in one place. There's nothing more annoying than having to use several different programs for one project. So I love the fact that SellerPic have really put the consumer and the business owner first and thinking about that user experience. It really does say a lot. I'm also just loving the real sleek design of SellerPic here. It's also got its natural language interface plus its Shopify integration, guys, and no credit card is required, and you actually can start your free trial. Again, remember the link to do it will be at the top of the description of this video, folks. So very, very easy, and they are claiming that it'll boost your sales by around 30%. And quite frankly, it could do at least 30% and possibly even more, guys. So it's so simple, guys, when you use this in terms of the natural language interface, guys. You just literally describe what you want in plain English, and the system does the rest, guys, in terms of the actual prompt. So super, super easy to use. You don't need any design skills, guys, none at all. Seamless Shopify integration allows that direct product image creation and management all within your Shopify dashboard once you link it up and once you go ahead and get connected, guys. Save time and money, increase your sales, and it's just easy to use, guys. Make sure you get started today. Super, super easy. I also love the fact, folks, that there is that 24/7 support, guys, which is not too common, okay? Not too common with a lot of other services that you can use there. But essentially, guys, you've got the help tab, your messages, and your home. Love that, guys. Really, really helpful to see that there. All right. So let me know, guys, what do you think about SellerPic? Me personally, it's definitely something that I'm going to be trying out for my small business because I'm all about just making things easier, less stressful, cost less, and quite frankly, have a look at these, guys. These images are not just like, oh, that's definitely an AI image. I mean, these look like real images where AI is actually used to enhance it. So you don't get that kind of cringe, tacky vibe when you just generate standard AI images. So I think really this is the way forward, and SellerPic are pioneers in this space and in what they're doing, guys. So again, link will be in the description if you want to get started with SellerPic. Go ahead, guys. Start your free trial. You got nothing to lose. If you enjoy this kind of content, like the video, subscribe, hit notifications, and comment, and we'll catch you in the next video.